Dahil sa imo manday, because of you, naubos man ang pira ko kunana. Oh, that's it from Inigo Pascual. And of course, iti Ilocano, mabalin na latang ako bantay iti so amin nun. Tagalog, Bisaya man, English, Espanyol.
Hi Kuya and Balong, pakigreet man ni Mami, dear Kote, happy birthday Kuya, Tata, and any song Kuya para kanya na. Thank you Kuya from Nanay Venus Phoebe Mendaras.
Wow. Happy birthday, mother.
Mother.
So nga, agor kata kita ketitaan nga kansyon mo para kinimod rakels.
Dagitaman, kuna naman niya. Ate Ella, sumalat imiyat. Ate President Angie, your song. Kunaan lambat. Count on you mga idol. From Marquez.
Alawon, sige datay count on you man lang iti isagotan. Isagot na mo ting kini Mother dear ni ating Venus Pimendaros nga ag-birthday tata. So happy birthday. Kata para da ito yung kadagiti tata o nga nagbalin na pa sa tibiyagyo. At kita mabalin tayo nga.
Ingat kayo Melvin.
Pagtarayan. Mabalin tayo nga idawatan iti AX kasi di ko
Alright.
From Don Michelle. Like the world's gone mad, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far, we've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I've stared at these walls before. Me blue. All alone in my heart I know there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you.
Count on
choose one place to spend the rest of my days. Anywhere would do, long as he's close to you. Oh, oh. kagawad nog Soriano Castoy. Sige man.
Every time you is my worried mind, and you forever be important to me, my miracle fire.
Favorite na tayo nga sonata kan kagawad nog para kanya.
Oh now I've traveled so far,
Tom Jones,
yet I'm right back where you are.
Michael Jackson, Magic 6 Second Voice.
Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years roll by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you.
po iti medyo na Tom Jonesan nga version kat itang rod ang kanito kat may sa mga sonata sago mikin ni JB Soriano nga madarimaan nga agar arapa itatang kanito. And of course may samon nga special message iti dimteng iti sibay mikik kunana jak amuti ng baryo di tabarug day man perfect nga kanta para kaligiti perfect nga husband and wife. And of course awa mo iti perfecto ko nga relasyon ayan ngam mabalin tayo nga agpaka perfect nga kunada. Datayon timang puno nya mati pagkurkurangan iti maysa ken maysa kada tayo.
Di ba in request mo lang yan ti Sonia da ito. Perfect ka no?
And of course, tayo na akon a special message when no request nagapukin ni Ninang Avelina Flores Bartolome, Project Development Officer iti LGU Ramon Isabela. Sa baraking kaninang together with Ninong Gilbert nga ano tawag ti kasta ti Ilocano. Ano tawag dyan?
Ano jay?
Ating nga daig mo iti Ilocano, di ka mo ti Ilocano ta dart. Sige man, nya man ti Ilocano ta dart. International champion iti dart.
Di ba iti deliver ti truck no ka dart?
One, dagitay dagitay trakan nga agitay damtra di jay
iti deliver ta dart.
Dito ni Gilbert nga labayog dati deliver na dart kun data. Tay nga rodan, tay perfect nga request
perfect
from Ed Sheeran.
I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets. carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know I'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
One of the greatest songwriter I've known, Ed Sheeran.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.